Maybe you did that.
Maybe. Is that on?
Don't press another cam.
I know what I'm doing. Oh. Come on, turn it on. Why did you tell me to turn it off?
I don't think it's helped you.
Wait.
Believe me.
Yeah,
Believe me.
we can make you have all day.
How long is
A week.
it? 2 weeks.
We have that.
So it's Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Hate that.
No, it needs to be on this one.
And then. Damn it. Damn it.
Indeed.
Damn it. We have to believe. Steven?
What?
Why is the net off?
Hang on. Guys, do you remember in this room before the break, did I have the same trouble that it wasn't working? So
you
it's,
remember what we did to solve it?
no, I do. I was just hoping that someone would have fixed it by then. It would seem like the answer is no. The principal, yeah, you witnessed that. Okay, so I didn't imagine that. So I will need to use the portable projector, I'm afraid.
You want me to get it?
Please. It's in the office. You know what bag it is, the black bag. Why so?
Are we gonna do classes this semester?
Please leave me alone, please.
Why are you always tired?
Because I'm always busy.
So ambitious.
Have mercy, please.
Every time I ask you, you always say, please leave me alone.
I say please. Come on. This is the urge to be stupid. Thank you.
But the thing is, you cut from the beginning.
Boom. Oh, so messy.
I know that no, no, it wasn't this
Okay. Okay, we're good now. Good enough. So, I think the last lesson we did was sine, cos, tan. Yeah, so what's next now? Oh, that's easy for babies. Right. Where's Omar? Is he still missing? Oh, there you are. Are you feeling better?
Yeah.
You were sick? Really? The whole vacation? That's funny. Isn't it funny? I think it's pretty funny. It's funny for me anyways. Okay, so area. Guys, so we start off pretty simple. We all know how to get the area of a triangle. There's nothing... Oh my goodness. If we have a triangle, the area is... What's the formula you learn in elementary school?
Base.
A half the base by the height. So this part here is B. And this part here is H then. Okay, so just write this part down. Of course, we're going to look at something else other than this. This is too easy. Please don't make me sick, please. You can make him sick. I could do it a few days without him. If you could make him sick, that'd be great. Just 2 or 3 days. It would just help me recharge a bit. Yeah. Okay. You got that? Yeah. So this works fine if you know the base and the height, but often we don't know the base and the height. Instead we have a situation like this. We know this side, and then we know this side, and we know this angle, and we want the area now. So let's find the formula. We'll draw a straight line down here. Question? H. What is sine C equal to?
B A over
C over
Hang on, we're not there yet. What is it?
C over
A over B something over A.
H over A. Yep. You got that? Yep. So, you could say here the area is a half the base by the height. But we don't know the height, but the height is A sine C. So that's a half B A sine C. Or in other words, a half AB sine C. So we have this formula for area. So this is another formula for area. This one we use when we have 2 of the sides. This one we use when we have the height. Okay, so please write this one down. How was your sandwich? Good? Not good? No. What was on it?
chocolate,
That's good. No.
but feeling bad.
Oh. Maybe you need more chocolate. Okay, did you write this down? You have this, yeah? Who said no?
One.
Just one?
Uh,
Sorry. I'll give you one sip of tea. Okay, let's have a look at some questions. Workbook, Maths Part 1, Maths, and we'll do some questions then. Oh, if you're wondering about your result, I'll give it to you
Today.
No. I don't know if it would be better to give it to you sooner or later. Yeah, but if I give it to you on Monday, then we can do it in the tutorial.
do what? We already did this.
No, what I mean is give you the results more discreetly. Unless you just want me to say the results out in front of everybody. FISO 21, you know.
No,
That won't embarrass you?
no.
Okay. What about 20?
I know myself.
Okay. Right.
We need to, I think we need to know our target predicted grade for because we need to apply for universities, we need to have 3 choices by the end of this week.
I wasn't really listening.
We're supposed to give our 3 options for the
No.
universities by this week.
I was trying to politely say I'm not interested. I just thought if I said I wasn't listening, it'd be more polite. I know you need predicted grades. That's why I'm giving it to the tutor first before I give it to you.
Yeah,
We don't care about the future.
computer told us yesterday that she doesn't have any.
I know that's because I haven't given it to them yet. So before I give them to you, I need to give them to your tutor. So that's why I was thinking I'll give it to you later this week. Do we have maths class tomorrow? Then I'll give it to you in class tomorrow. I'll write it down on a page and you can come up and check it privately then. I think this would be the safest way to do it. Because some people, you know, they might be embarrassed by their results. Yeah. So, we'll do it this way. Okay, let's have a look at some examples. So, the first one is pretty easy. What is the area of the triangle with base 3 and height 7? So, a half 3 multiplied by 7, so what do we get here? 10.5. So, the first one we have as an example, area is 10.5. Okay, let's have a look at the next one now. What is the area if the side is 10, 26 and the angle 67.38? So this is 10, 26 and the angle here is 67.38 degrees. So the formula now is a half, 10, 26, sine 67.38. If you can hit that in, please. Side. Doesn't have a special name, they're just called the sides. 120? For sure? Okay. Okay, write this one down, we'll do another one. Is okay, sorry? Yeah. Okay, you got this? Yep.
Do we have the unit?
There's no units here because I didn't give you a unit. Next one. Work out the height of each triangle below by first finding the area. So I tell you here, it's 40, 58, and the angle is 46.4. And what I want to know is the height of the triangle. That's what I'm looking for. And I want you to do it by finding the area first. So what we'll do first, we'll find the A. That's a half, 40, 58, sine 46.4. A half, 40, 58, sine 46.4, 840. But we also have another formula for the area. What's that? That's a half the base by the height equals 840. God, what do you need? 2 times 840 over 58 is the height. So we get
29.
29? 29. Yeah. You got that one? No, not yet. Bad tea?
Sugar tea.
Sugar tea. Hot water and sugar, yeah? Okay. Got that? Next. Work out the angle between the sides. The side is 2552 and the area is 630. $25.52, $6.30, and the area is 630. So we can use our formula. Area is a half 25.52 sine C. So 2 times 630.
What are we looking for?
The C, the angle. Two times 630 divided by 25 times 52. I get point. Yeah. Well, first I'll just get 0.969.
What's the bracket and the answer on the calculator?
Don't worry about that. Not important for you. Does your calculator have it? No, so don't worry about it. You're down to 2, by the way. 3 per hour. So choose your next 2 carefully. Right. What? So C is 75.75. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Okay. Did you write that down? The next ones are not so easy peasy. Can I continue? Are we just waiting for you? I don't know. Got that? Yeah. Okay. So what I want to do next, the next few are a little bit tricky, but I think it's good to try them because these are all very easy, right? Easy peasy. So, what I would like to do is, hang on, oh my goodness. I want us to take turns doing 5 to 12. So you can try it, then I'll do it. you try it, then I'll do it. So try number 5, and then I'll do number 5. So see what you can do. Do you know this word equilateral?
Yeah.
It means all the sides are the same length. Yes. Like equal length. You have to use your calculator. Shift sign. A.
So it would be like this.
Yes. That's exactly it. Got any chocolate?
Huh?
Got any chocolate? You do? I forgot. Thank you. You give me energy.
I always give you energy.
And take it.
You said energy can't. It's
You give and take back. Got it? Easy?
so it's just draw or calculate.
Calculate the area. Is that what you got?
No.
No, you need to show that that's the answer.
Oh.
Okay, it shouldn't take you much longer. 1 more minute and then I'll do number 5. Okay. Number 5. So because it's equilateral, all the sides are the same and all the angles are the same, which means this must be a 60, 60 and 60. So the area is a half AA sine 60, which is a half A squared root 3 over 2, which is A squared root 3 over 4, which is what we wanted to show. Like that. Okay? Right. Number 6 is another equilateral triangle, but this time I tell you the height is h. Find the area. Try this one now, number 6. This is the worksheet. You mean the answers? Okay. You have it? Got it, Faisal? Are you trying it? Who am I missing? Or I'm not missing anybody. Wait, I am.
Yes.
Nadia. Oh no, there you are. I can see you. I'm not missing you. Who?
Time.
Who?
The Vietnamese girl.
Ah, the other Vietnamese girl. Yes.
When I'm listening to you, remember me
What? Do I? I don't know. Have you missed class?
a lot.
I'd say I notice if you're not in class. Yeah. Yeah, I'd probably notice. You talk a little bit more than she does. Just a little bit more. Not much, just a little bit more. You got 6 done now? No? Okay. You have 6 done?
And it's also two sides are equal.
Two sides are equal. Just 2 sides.
Just 2 seconds.
So two angles are equal.
The base is usually
Small.
Usually.
Doesn't matter. You can always turn it down.
but only turn the base for that.
Then it's not then it's a different
Then
base.
it's not a base, yeah. To make it look nicer, they usually make the base bigger.
They usually make it to make it look nice, the smallest, yeah. Okay, let's have a look at 6 now. Tired. Right. So it's an equilateral triangle again. The sides are 60, and this time the height is h, and I want the area. So the problem here is I don't know these sides, do I? But I could call them like A. This is A over 2, and this is A over 2. So you could say A over 2 squared plus h squared equals A squared. So A squared over 4 plus h squared equals A squared. H squared equals... Why what?
Why did you do this?
Why did I do this? Because I want to get the h. Or, I mean, say I want to get the a.
You're finding the hypotenuse, the A.
Yeah.
But you still don't have any values, so you end up with a letter also. Or a bunch of
Yeah,
letters.
letters, yeah.
So why not just keep it A and go for it?
Because the answer doesn't have a in it. The answer has only h in it. Yeah. You're down to 1. Yep.
That was a good one. I made it.
Don't... Was better than the last one. Yeah. Right, so we get 4h squared over 3 equals a squared. So that means a is 2 over root 3 h, if I square root everything. So now we can say the area is a half a sine 60. That's a half a squared sine 60. That's a half a squared root 3 over 2. That's a half 4 over 3 h squared root 3 over 2. That's 4 root 3 over 12 h squared. That's root 3 over 3 h squared. Now, is that what I'm trying to get to? Nearly. That's root 3 over root 3 h squared. That's h squared over root 3. Right, we got there at the end. That was harder. Some people will need to write this down. Is it? I don't know if it's too hard for the exam. There are other ways to do it. I just wanted to do it this way.
You don't want to keep the 3...
No, I don't, because I'm trying to get to this.
But generally, if we...
Generally, yes. In this case, no. Yes.
We can like a over 2 equals h over
Yeah, if you want to start using sine, cos, tan, you can. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I just felt like doing it this way. Have you got this? Who am I waiting for? No one? Okay. Alright, try number 7. Listen. 7, the triangle is isosceles. Isosceles means 2 of the sides are the same. 2 sides are the same for isosceles. Yeah.
You can get the answers without using sine or cosine or tangent, but why is it in the area?
I don't understand your question.
Oh, it's like, I thought trigonometry
Yeah.
like sine, cosine, and tangent. No?
But Pythagoras doesn't have sine, cos and tan in it, and I would consider Pythagoras part of trigonometry, you know, so I just think of trigonometry being for triangles, that's all. Okay, try number 7 now. Okay. Anybody feel like they got 7?
Yes.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Let's have a look now at 7. So we have an isosceles triangle with common side B and base A. B, B, A, like this. Okay. And we would like, again, the area. So if I look here at the height and call that H, I can say A over 2 squared plus H squared equals B squared. So A squared over 4 plus H squared equals B squared. So H squared is B squared minus A squared over 4. So H is square root B squared minus A squared over 4. So the area is a half the base by the height, which is a half A square root B squared minus A squared over 4, which is a half A square root. That's a 4. That's a 4B squared minus an A squared. I think I have to do it. No, I don't need to actually. Yeah, I'm trying to, I need to take A out, yeah. So that's a half A square root A squared B squared over A squared minus a quarter. That's a half A square root A square root B squared over A squared minus 1 over 4. That's a half. That cancels that.
Sorry?
Yep.
Why the error is I thought it's A over 2.
Where?
The
Here?
yeah. I over 2.
Yeah, a half A by H.
No, I think a half
Half
and
times half A
but
times
1 over 2
Yeah.
error 1 over 2. This angle.
I'm getting the area of the whole thing. So I use all of A. So the area is a half A times H.
You use Pythagoras for
I use Pythagoras to get H. I think that's the end, is it? Yeah. Okay, write this one down, please. Yeah? We got this? No, we don't got this. Can I continue? Yep. Scrolling down. Well, I don't need to scroll down, I need to switch back to the question. So now let's have a look at 8. We have a triangle with sides 13, 15 and 24. Oh, sorry, no. The sides are 13 and 15 and the area is 24. What's the other side?
Can we go back to the last question?
Yeah? Okay. 13, 15 and the area is 24. Got an answer? You got an answer?
Yep.
Yep. Answer? Nope. Impossible? Some things are impossible for this class. No?
Yeah.
Okay. We have two sides, 13, 15, and the area is 24. And I want to know what this side is here. Yeah? So, let's see, what could we say? I suppose we could get this angle if we wanted to, because we have the two sides and that. So we could say 24 is a half 13, 15 sine C. So 48 over 13 times 15 is sine C. Great, so then sine inverse of that. So C is 14 and a quarter, yep. So we know this angle. Yeah. Okay, so we could get this height here because we can say 24 is a half 15 by, now I don't know if this will help me, I'm just figuring out what I can get. A half 15 by h, so then that means h is 48 divided by 15. 3.2. That's the height. No, because we don't know it's right angled. We don't know that this divides it in the middle. Now we'll get, but we will use Pythagoras because I'll get this side here, and then I can get this side. Yeah, we'll finish it with Pythagoras. So I'll just call this side P and this side Q. So we have P squared plus H squared equals 13 squared. So that means P equals 12.6. If P is 12.6, what's Q? If the total is 15. 2.4. So finally we can say Q squared plus H squared equals X squared. Pythagoras here. But we haven't done the cosine rule yet. You can use sine, cos and tan, Ian, but I'm in a very Pythagoras mood today. So
what if we don't know if the angle is 90 degrees?
We know that these angles are 90. But we don't know anything about the other angles being 90. Anyways, let me just finish this here. 2.4 squared plus 3.2 squared, that's x squared, which is 16. So then x is 4. Okay, write this one down, please. You're thinking you have a question, right?
No.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Why?
No, I say I knew it.
Don't question. Why?
Huh? Why what?
I don't like don't question.
Okay, what's your question though?
There is no question.
Okay, good.
I just don't like don't question.
And nobody does.
You can ask for the things that they want to just send in separate questions and that's it. Why make a long question?
What can I say? Life sucks.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we didn't need to see.
No, actually, it turned out we didn't need to see. Practice. Practice. Don't worry, after the first 100 questions of this, it becomes quicker. It's just practice. There's no secret. Okay. So, what I want you to do, your homework, I want you to do B, 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 and B in 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I would like you to do now for homework, but I want you to do this part now, is 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, B for homework. 1A, 2, no, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. This is your homework, but I want you to do these ones now, please.
Can I see the question?
Yes. Did you write that down? Yes? Here you go, Fong. Well, let me just close the video.